Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up OpenAI Codex in VSCode, a powerful way to get AI coding assistance right in your development environment. So let's dive in. First, you want to open your Visual Studio Code or VSC on your computer. Then, once it's open, you want to head to the extensions icon on the left sidebar. It looks like four small squares, this one. So click it. And in the search bar, you want to type in Codex. Then wait for the results to load. You want to choose the one that has a verified badge. Once you find it, just click on it and hit install. Now, once you click install, you might see a prompt asking you to trust the publisher. Just go ahead and confirm. But when the setup's complete, you'll notice a Codex icon appear on the left-hand panel of VS Code. So click on that to open the Codex. And then from here, you'll have two sign-in options. You can either enter your OpenAI API key or sign in with ChatGPT. The easiest route is to click sign in with ChatGPT, this one. When you do, a browser window will open asking for permission to connect your ChatGPT account. And if you already have one, just sign in and click authorize. If not, create a free ChatGPT account first. But once you're signed in, the browser will confirm that you're successfully connected to Codex. And from there, you can just select which model you want to use. And that's it. You can now start using Codex directly in VS Code. Ask it to write code, explain snippets, or even help debug your project. It's like having your own AI coding assistant built right in. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!